So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Lowe's stock, ticker symbol LOW in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, I go to the bottom bar and press on the magnifying glass. Then in the search bar here at the top, press on search, then type in ticker symbol LOW. So as you can tell, the first option, Lowe's COS Inc., press on that right there. Now, if you want to invest into Lowe's, go to the bottom and press on buy. Now for me, it's actually presenting us with a fractional buy opportunity, but if you wanted to change that, press on fractional buy at the top and you can select a limit buy, stop limit buy, recurring buy, market buy, or fractional buy, whatever you decide. Then type in the amount that you want to invest into Lowe's. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do $2 for this demonstration. Now keep in mind as well, this is in USD, not CAD, so there will be a conversion afterwards, but regardless, press on continue once that is done. Now before you press confirm order at the bottom, just make sure that you know what you're doing in regards to the amount of money that's going to cost you in Canadian with the conversion fee and the exchange rate. So as you can tell, the cost here is $2 USD. The estimated exchange rate is $1.36, and it also includes a 1.5% fee. So the estimated cost for me here is $2.72 Canadian. So just keep in mind as well, if you're buying any US listed stock here on Wealthsimple, there is a small conversion fee of 1.5% as well as the exchange rate. So once that is done, press on confirm order at the bottom, and there you go. That is how to buy Lowe's stock, ticker symbol LOW in Canada here on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helps.